Rep.ai is a game changer in the world of AI tools, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new software. Stick around to the end, because I'll reveal exactly how you can leverage Rep.ai to its fullest potential, and why it might just be the best AI software you've been waiting for. But first, you can try Rep.ai completely free right now by clicking the link below. Trust me, you'll want to see what this can do for you. Now let's get into why Rep.ai is already causing waves in the AI space. First, let's talk about the user-friendly interface. Rep.ai was designed with ease of use in mind, which is perfect for both beginners and seasoned digital marketers alike. From the moment you log in, everything is intuitive. Whether you're working on automating content generation, improving customer support with chatbots, or analyzing data for your marketing strategies. This level of accessibility is key for getting up and running quickly. Next, Rep.ai's ability to integrate with existing platforms is a massive plus. It seamlessly syncs with your CRM systems, email tools, and social media platforms, making it super easy to implement without overhauling your current workflow. This alone makes it an incredibly practical tool for marketers who need an AI solution that just works alongside what they're already doing. Another feature that stands out is Rep.ai's natural language processing capabilities. If you've used AI tools before, you know the frustration of having to spend time fine-tuning or correcting generated content. With Rep.ai, its language models are so advanced that you won't have to spend hours on edits. Whether you're generating blog posts, email copy, or social media captions, the software understands context and tone, delivering results that are almost ready to go live. Now, let's talk about its customer service automation. Rep. AI makes it super easy to create intelligent, personalized chatbots that respond to customer inquiries in real time. No more generic robotic responses. The AI learns from interactions and continues to improve, ensuring your customers get the best experience every time. One feature you'll really want to explore is its predictive analytics. Rep.ai doesn't just handle content creation and customer service. It gives you actionable insights that can drive your marketing strategy forward. By analyzing trends, it helps forecast the best time to post content, predict which products or services will likely perform best, and even suggest ways to optimize your campaigns. Rep.ai's versatility is another reason why it stands out. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or managing a full-scale marketing agency, this software is tailored to help businesses of all sizes. It adapts to your needs, and as you grow, so can your use of Rep.ai's capabilities. Lastly, let's talk about its affordability. Many of these powerful AI tools can come with hefty price tags, but Rep.ai is designed to provide value without breaking the bank. Plus, the free trial linked below lets you test it out without any financial commitment up front, which is great for those who want to make sure it fits their needs before diving in. Rep.ai is the best just released AI software I've seen in a while. It's packed with features that allow you to automate content, engage with customers, and analyze data, all within a user-friendly, cost-effective platform. If you're serious about taking your digital marketing efforts to the next level, this is a tool you won't want to miss. As always, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've got my recommended picks linked in the description below. Make sure to give them a try and let me know which ones worked best for you. See you in the next review.